To restore the ribbon, type in RIB into the command line and enter. To restore the menu bar, type in MENUBAR and enter. And then type in 1 and enter. If the menu bar is off, it will show as 0. Restored, it will show as 1. You can go to the Quick Access toolbar drop-down, and at the bottom you have the option to turn the menu on or off. You can also turn off the ribbon by clicking on the ribbon with the right click of the right-hand mouse or left click with the left-hand mouse and selecting Close. To close the ribbon from the command line, type in RIB, arrow down, enter to bring up Ribbon Close. The ribbon also has the options of different display states. The different display states are Minimize to Panel button, Minimize to Panel tiles, Minimize to tabs, Show full ribbon. If you close the ribbon in any of these ribbon display states, when you restore the ribbon, it will restore to the display you closed it in. If you still cannot find the ribbon, it's possible that the ribbon has been undocked and is hiding on another screen. That is, if you have 2 or 3 screens. If this is helpful, give a like and subscribe. You can support me on Buy Me a Coffee, link in the description below. Thank you for your attention and support.